Welcome back to my channel. So this is one of the physics 2010 Jamb past question. So you can see how the question is being set and this is the solution. Okay, listen carefully. If you are a student and you are preparing for the next year Jamb, which is 2025 stroke 2026, there is a tutorial that is currently ongoing. Are you getting it in a WhatsApp group? So if you are interested, please take note only for science students. Okay, so if you are preparing for the next year JAM 2025, there is a tutor that is currently going on in a WhatsApp group. In that group, we are dealing with both chemistry, physics, mathematics, biology, and English. Okay, so if you are interested in joining, you can click anywhere in this video, or there is a particular place that is written message. Click on it, it will take you directly to my WhatsApp DM. Send me a message that you are interested in joining the next year JAMB tutorial group. Okay, but in case if you click on that message and it's not responding, you can shout me on WhatsApp with this number you are seeing on the screen. Okay, shout me fast before the group gets filled up. So make sure you shout me on WhatsApp very fast before the group gets filled up. Take note only for science students. Bye.